I'll explain why China just shocked the global AI community. The world's second largest economy dropped unprecedented regulations. These rules could reshape artificial intelligence forever. Let me show you what happened yesterday. China's Cyberspace Administration released emergency guidelines targeting AI systems. The focus: preventing artificial intelligence from encouraging suicide and violence. These aren't gentle suggestions. They're mandatory requirements with severe penalties. The new regulations specifically target chatbots like ChatGPT equivalents. China's domestic AI tools face immediate compliance demands. Baidu's Ernie bot must implement safety filters now. Alibaba's Tongyi Qianwen needs content monitoring systems. ByteDance's AI assistant requires psychological harm detection. SenseTime's language models need violence prevention protocols. I've analyzed the technical requirements extensively. Every AI system must detect self-harm language patterns. Machine learning models need real-time content screening. Natural language processing tools require emotional distress recognition. Companies must deploy sentiment analysis algorithms immediately. Let me explain the specific prohibited content categories. AI systems cannot provide suicide methods or instructions. Chatbots must refuse discussions about self-harm techniques. Language models cannot glorify violence or aggression. AI assistants must detect and redirect harmful conversations. The enforcement mechanisms are remarkably strict. Companies face immediate operational suspension for violations. AI developers risk criminal prosecution for negligence. Tech executives could receive personal liability charges. The government promises swift, decisive punishment. I'll show you why these rules emerged. Recent incidents involved AI chatbots encouraging self-destructive behavior. Chinese teenagers received harmful advice from language models. Social media AI amplified violent content recommendations. Mental health experts documented rising digital harm cases. The technical implementation challenges are staggering. OpenAI's GPT models would struggle with compliance. Google's Bard lacks required safety mechanisms currently. Anthropic's Claude needs extensive safety retraining. Meta's AI systems require complete architecture overhauls. Chinese companies are scrambling for immediate solutions. Tencent's AI division activated emergency response teams. Huawei's research labs prioritized safety. Algorithm development. Xiaomi's AI assistant underwent emergency content filtering. NetEase implemented real-time conversation monitoring systems. Let me explain the global implications here. International AI companies face market access barriers. Silicon Valley firms need China-specific safety versions. European AI developers must consider similar regulations. The entire industry faces new compliance costs. The psychological detection requirements are particularly demanding. AI systems must recognize depression indicators. Machine learning models need anxiety pattern identification. Chatbots require crisis intervention response protocols. Language processing tools must detect emotional vulnerabilities. I've examined the technical specifications closely. Every conversation needs real-time safety scoring. AI responses require multi-layer content validation. Machine learning outputs need psychological impact assessment. Natural language generation demands harm prevention filters. The timeline for compliance is impossibly tight. Companies have 30 days for full implementation. AI systems need immediate safety protocol activation. Existing models require emergency retraining processes. New deployments face strict pre-approval requirements. International experts are calling these rules revolutionary. Stanford AI researchers praise the proactive approach. MIT technology professors highlight implementation challenges. Oxford ethics scholars support the protective intent. Harvard policy experts question enforcement practicality. The business impact extends beyond China's borders. Global AI companies must redesign core systems. Silicon Valley startups face new development costs. European firms need dual compliance strategies. Asian markets might adopt similar regulatory frameworks. I'll explain why this matters internationally. China's massive user base influences global standards. AI companies cannot ignore this market segment. Regulatory compliance often becomes universal practice. Technical safety improvements benefit everyone worldwide. The enforcement technology itself is fascinating. Government monitoring systems scan AI outputs. Automated compliance checking reviews every response. Machine learning audits detect safety violations. Real-time analysis prevents harmful content distribution. Chinese AI researchers support these dramatic changes. Beijing University professors advocate stronger protections. Tsinghua technology experts emphasize user safety. Shanghai AI laboratories embrace responsibility requirements. Shenzhen developers prioritize ethical implementations. The global AI safety community watches intently. These regulations could become international templates. Other governments might adopt similar frameworks. The entire industry